Look how wide that is. I mean, between the red to the red. It's just a regular lawnmower on steroids. And of course, this one comes with an electric start. But I don't see any electrics on it. And then they tell you to take these blue things off and take the thing out, but I got to see where the electric start is at, because the electric start for this Toro, the regular price was $1,199, I think, something like that. The electric start is $100 more, which I got it so that when my 18-year-old daughter needs to do the grass and says she can't pull on this thing, I'll say, get your ass out there, put your iPhone down, and mow the damn grass, or you ain't getting your $300 a week allowance. Yeah, I have teenagers, so I'm going to take this out and see what she looks like. Everybody around here, I'll tell you what, they're going to be so jealous. All of them, every one of them are going to be just super jealous. I'm keeping up with the Joneses, and I got something that's great. Okay.